Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will discuss about models, those models, those not discussed before. Let's see. Next one is ought to. Ought to. To express moral duty, obligation, and advice. This model is used to express moral duty, obligation, and advice. For example, you ought to respect your elders. It means this is your obligation, this is your moral duty to follow, to respect your elders. In other words, we can say that your parents. After that, in the same, when ought to plus have plus we third. In this way, whenever that it is used, there also discuss about some duty and obligations. Some duty and obligations that not performed. Not performed. Duty, obligation, and that not performed. For example, you ought not to done. You ought to not done this stupid thing. This stupid thing. Next one. In this example, that you ought to not done a stupid thing. A stupid thing. It means some duty and obligations that not performed. Next one is. Next model is have to. Have to. Have whenever have is alone, that this also used as a defective verb, as a auxiliary verb. When it is used in have to, that is used in the modal helping verb. For example, to express necessity and compulsion. Necessity or compulsion. Home without. Home without. It means whenever we perform or we express any necessity and compulsion, in this condition, that we also used a model. The name of the model is have to. For example, I have to cook. I have to cook my own meal. I have to cook my own meal. It means have to that also show the compulsion and the necessity of an action. Next one is used to express past habit. Whenever we try to explain the past habit, that we used model used to. For example, when I was young, when I was young, I used to work hard. I used to work hard. By this sentence that we are going to express, we are expressing the past habit that we had. Next one, in the use of used to. In this, to express present habit. Present habit. It means accustomed. Past habit which is accustomed. For example, she is used to a hard work. In this example, that this is also present habit. This is also present habit, but it is accustomed. That's all in this lecture. We again discuss in next lecture. Thanks and have a nice day.